Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, student? I hope you are healthy and happy. Let's begin this lesson 1 English. We will learning about personal interest part 2. What class are you in? Any 3 topics today. This is and the first is about jobs and then hobby, and the last is the mind map. Okay, read aloud. Baca dengan keras. Read aloud. Look at the picture. The first picture, this is an animator. An animator in Indonesian is animator. Then the second picture, this is a dentist. A dentist in Indonesian is Dr. Gigi. The next picture, this is a chef. A chef in Indonesian is koki. Next jobs, look at the picture on your screen. Read aloud. Baca dengan keras. The first, this is a musician. A musician. In Indonesian is musisi. The next, this is a fashion designer. A fashion designer. In Indonesian is perancang busana. And the third picture, this is a doctor. This a doctor. In Indonesian is doctor. The picture, this is a scientist. This is a scientist. Scientist is ilmuwan. The next picture, this is a nurse. This is a nurse. Nurse in Indonesian is perawat. The last picture, this is a firefighter. Firefighter. Firefighter is a pemadam kebakaran. Okay, next. Look at yourself. Look at yourself. Please look at the picture of your screen. This is any types of jobs and the random letter in the box. You can mix the picture with the random letter. The example number 1, this is a chef. This is a chef. Find chef in the box. This is a chef. Circle the chef. The second, this is a musician. Musician, find the musician in the box and circle. This is a musician. The next, the third picture, this is a teacher. This is a teacher. Find teacher in a box. This is a teacher. Circle the teacher. Next, number 4, this is a nurse. A nurse, find a nurse in the box. Scissor nurse. Next, this is a firefighter. Firefighter. Find the firefighter in the box and scissor firefighter. This is a firefighter. Next, an animator. An animator. Find an animator in the box and scissor an animator. Okay, the next picture, this is a scientist. This is a scientist. Scissor the scientist in the box. This is a scientist. Again, the last picture, this is a doctor. Doctor, find the doctor in the box. This is a doctor and scissor. Okay, do you understand? This is a type of job you can find in the box. Next. Listen and talk. Listen and talk. Please look at the dialogue in your screen. I will read the dialogue and you must listen carefully. What's your hobby, Tigor? I like playing computer games. I see. What do you want to be in the future? I want to be a game developer. The dialogue talking about a hobby and a dream jobs. And then the left dialogue, please look at, this is about hobby and dream jobs. If your hobby is reading comics, You must can to be an animator. If your hobby is reading books, you can to be an author. And then, if your hobby is playing the drums, you can make a drummer. And the last, if your hobby is drawing, you can make a fashion design. Do you understand? Okay, next. Listen and repeat. Listen and repeat. Please look at the first picture. The first picture, this is a farmer. In Indonesian is peternak. Farmer is peternak. The illustration about picture. Rudy Palmer is a farmer. He has buffalo, cows, and sheep. We can translate Rudy Palmer. Dia adalah seorang peternak. Ia memiliki kerbau, sapi, dan juga domba. The second picture. Look at the second picture. The second picture, this is a dentist. In Indonesian is Dr. Gigi. The illustration about the second picture. Patty Prentice says a dentist keeps your teeth both clean and white. We can translate. Patty Prentice, dia adalah seorang dokter gigi. Dia akan menjaga gigimu supaya tetap bersih dan juga putih. The third picture, look at the third picture. This is a teacher. She is a teacher. In Indonesian is guru. The illustration about the third picture is Sally Parker. She is a teacher. Teaches English, science, and math. We can translate. Sally Parker, dia adalah seorang guru yang mengajar bahasa Inggris, IPA, dan matematika. And the last picture, this is a doctor. In Indonesia, we call doctor. The illustration about the last picture, Ronnie Parker says doctor comes to see you when it hurts. I will repeat again. Ronnie Parker, his doctor, comes to see you when it hurts. We can translate in Indonesia. Ronnie Parker, dia adalah seorang dokter yang akan menemuimu saat kamu sakit. Okay, this is talking about a job. You can practice yourself in your home about jobs. Next, the English word, the first English word. Look at the mind map. This is mind map in the page 4 in your book, English books. You must complete the mind map. The first you must do, this is scan the barcode in your English book, page 13. Scan the barcode in your English book, page 13. And then listen the dialogue carefully. And the last, you must complete the mind map. The dialogue talking about Seta, hobby Seta, age Seta, grade, dream job, and address Seta. And then take a picture and upload in form. Ustazah jelaskan, jadi tugas bahasa Inggris yang pertama ini adalah melengkapi peta pikiran berdasarkan dialog yang ada di buku kamu setelah kamu scan barcode di halaman 13. Jadi, scan dulu barcode di halaman 13, Kemudian kamu mengisi dan melengkapi peta pikiran berikut. Dialog tersebut berisi tentang theta. Di antaranya ada age, umur theta, ada hobi theta, ada alamat theta, ada cita-cita theta, dan kelas theta. Nah, silahkan setelah kalian mendengarkan dialog di video tersebut, kalian lengkapi mind map ini. Kemudian kirimkan di form yang sudah disediakan. Ini adalah tugas yang pertama. And then the second English word today, look at the mind map. Ini masih mind map ya. Look at the mind map. The first, you must open your English book page 14. Open your English book page 14. And then write your name in the center chisel. And then complete your mind map. And finally, take a picture and upload in form already provided in classroom. Oke, in Indonesian, tugas bahasa Inggris yang kedua ini adalah melengkapi mind map-mu. Jadi melengkapi peta pikiranmu. Kalau tadi tentang theta, setelah kalian mendengarkan dialog yang ada di scan barcode, yang kedua ini adalah tentang mind map-mu. Bukalah bukumu halaman 14, itu sudah tersedia di situ. Nah, di sini kemudian tulis namamu di center chisel atau di lingkaran yang paling tengah, silahkan ditulis. Kemudian komplit, lengkapi dari mulai age, umurmu berapa, kemudian hobimu apa, kamu kelas berapa, alamatmu di mana, dan cita-citamu apa. Nah, ini adalah tugas yang kedua. Setelah itu, take a picture, ambil gambarnya, ambil fotonya, dan kirimkan di form yang sudah tersedia. Jadi dua-duanya tugas hari ini adalah tentang mind map. Tugas keduanya adalah mind map. Yang pertama tentang theta yang harus kamu dengarkan dulu setelah kamu scan barcode di halaman 13. Dan selanjutnya tugas yang kedua mind map tentang dirimu. Jelas ya, jadi nanti ada dua yang harus kamu buat mind map-nya. Oke? Finally, we'll finish the learning today. I hope you all understand with the learning and don't forget to do your homework and send on time. See you next week. Bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.